Can we stop TikTok zooming in on photos? Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, we'll discuss if we can stop TikTok zooming in on photos. We'll also try out few things that we do while we're posting photos to stop it. So let's find out. First things first, open up your TikTok. Make sure it is updated to the latest version. So this is what I'm talking about. Whenever you've posted a photo, you've just you can zoom in on it like this. So you can zoom in on it like this, and it's not just for photos, it's also for videos. So there you can see. Now if you don't want that, what we can do is we can just head over to settings and try to find out the setting that will stop it. But there is no such setting on your settings and privacy. So what we'll do is we'll just try to post a picture and try out settings while we're editing it. So let's do that. Tap on the bottom on the plus icon and take a picture. So as you can see, I've just taken up a picture. Now if I tap on next, so after you tap on next, you will see different settings. Now here there's a setting to add link. The other one is to who can view your post, that is the privacy settings, and the other is more option. Now if you tap on the more option, you will see different options such as allow comments, allow reuse, and stuff like that. So here you'll also see save to device and save post with watermark. Now there, as you can notice, that there is no option to prevent the zooming in on photos. So yeah, that's basically it. Now if we just post it, let it completely post, and after it posts, again we can notice that there is no option to just unzoom it. So we can even head over to the three dots here, and there we can see the settings. There you will see privacy settings, and there you can also notice that there is no option to stop the TikTok zooming in. So I hope this answers your question, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more.